Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got the Portland Porta Hive, and that's gonna help with Riley Bee's ornament a lot. So let's go. What was I gonna do in this episode? Oh yeah, so I was gonna share some codes. So I'm not sure if these are expired though. So one is Jelly, I think. Yep, that's one. I'll put it up on the screen for you right here. Okay. Next one is, you can type in festive, no space, frogs. One box of frogs, bamboo field boost, and bamboo field wins. That is extremely good. Now, I'll be right back. I need to check the other one. Okay, guys, so the next one is Beesmas Begins. So you're going to want to type in Beesmas Begins. That one's pretty good. That's really good, guys. We're going to try that out, and I'll show you how good it is. I got stuck there. But look at this. Actually, I'll go use the bamboo one, because that one's a bit better. So, come up to the bamboo, and this is how much you'll get. You'll get so much. And we got a box of frogs, and I'll show you what that does, guys. So we have a box of frogs. Let's replace it with the gumdrops. And 3, 2, 1, boom. And it just sends out loads of frogs. And we can pop their bubbles. And that'll make you get a lot of pollen. So pop all your bubbles. There are a lot, I'm warning you. So this is very good if you're a noob or not very good at the game. So yeah, you should definitely redeem that if you're not very good at the game. It'll help you a lot. If you're good at the game, probably still redeem it. It'll give you some good loot. If you're better than me, then obviously claim it, but... So yeah. So, the wins are like a boost, but even better. And see, I'm already almost at 4 million pollen in my backpack. And guys, yesterday I also bought the Mondo belt bag. That'll help a lot, because it gives me plus 100,000 pollen in my backpack. Just checking for a Windy Bee. Oh, and guys, I did rename my cub buddy Toasty. So, just keep grinding in the bamboo field. Yeah, so this boost is very good. Definitely go claim it. So let's see what else we got. Looks like we got a royal jelly, and that might be it. Oh, and I think a micro converter. So, yeah. Gotta go back to my hive. Actually, I'll just use the micro converter. Okay, let's get back to bamboo. Looks like the frogs have actually left, guys. So, that's it for the frogs. Now we're just gonna have to do a bit of grinding on our own. Oh, and obviously, let's go defeat the king beetle while we have time. I really hope I don't die with this much in my backpack. So guys, after I get 5 hours. So after I get the 35 area, I'm actually going to start saving up for the gummy mask. But if you don't think so, sorry guys, comment down below which mask you think I should get if you don't want me getting the gummy mask. Gotta turn down my volume. Okay, so that's fixed. So yeah, I'm getting so much honey. So yeah, yeah. So how's you guys' day going? Mine's going well. So let's see what quest I might have done. Okay, I don't have any quests done except for Black Widow, which I can't hand in yet because I'm on his other quests. I finished most of these quests. I got the Cub Buddy legit. I did not spend Robux on him. So guys, don't forget to comment down below what event do you think I should get next. I'm kind of feeling Tabby me. Like and subscribe if you agree. Ooh, wait, there might be a Vicious. Let's search around for a Vicious Bee, maybe. Oh, yep, there it is. Okay, let's get it. Let's do this. It is a level 3. It's gonna be pretty easy to defeat. Yay! 1 stinger, 5 stingers. So yeah, don't forget if you don't have a Vicious Bee, definitely try to defeat the Vicious Bee at least once a day. So yeah. That's going to end off today's video. I hope you enjoy your Beastworm codes and get better using them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.